A large space for collecting or sharing files can come in handy in your courses. OneDrive is provided to all faculty, students, and staff and should contain ample storage. The most direct way to access your OneDrive account is to go to OneDrive.com and click Sign In. Once there, use the same credentials you used to sign into D2L. This should be your username at mtsu.edu. For me, that would be wburgess@mtsu.edu. You might have to go through the two-step authentication where it sends you a code to complete the login process. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to create a new folder with the new drop-down and choose Folder. And I'll name the folder 2018 Spring-Sci 1410 Shared Videos. Once your folder is created, you can decide who needs access. The most convenient way to share this folder is through the Share button. Click the Share button next to the folder's title and then click the Copy Link button at the bottom. Copy the provided URL. This link provides access to the shared folder in OneDrive, which is open to anyone that has a valid MTSU email account. You can paste this link within your D2L content or in an email to your students. If you have any concerns that the link might get shared too widely, you can control exactly which people in the MTSU organization have access. Let's pretend that this folder will contain the final video projects for a graded assignment. In that case, you might want to add individuals to the shared folder rather than create an open link that anyone at MTSU could access. To do this, find the Sharing Status column on the far right. The folder will be set to private if you have not shared it prior or created the open sharing link that we just discussed. Click the private link for your folder. This opens up a side panel where you can add individuals at MTSU. Note that no one outside of the MTSU organization can participate in this shared folder, so email addresses entered here must end in either mtsu.edu or mtmail.mtsu.edu. Next, click the Add People link, which is a small blue circle with the outline of a person and a plus sign. This opens a dialog box where you can add as many MTSU students, faculty, or staff as you desire. We recommend that you copy and paste email addresses from Pipeline if you're adding an entire list of students. Note a few options on this screen. You can choose whether these individuals have edit or view access. You can also choose to add a message and send them an email alerting them of the shared folder. Once you've clicked Share, the individuals that you've added to the folder will be able to access it within their OneDrive. To make access to the folder streamlined, click the Share button next to the title of your folder. Choose the drop-down at the top of the popover that starts with Only People in Middle Tennessee State, and change it to Specific People. Click Apply. Last, choose the Copy Link button at the bottom and then copy the provided URL. You can paste this link within your D2L content or in an email to your students, and you can be confident that only people you have manually added to this folder will have access.